Hello again and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week, change of venue. Many people are complaining of fatigue from virtual meetings, but it doesn't have to be as challenging and tiring if you reframe your thought process. First thing is to recognize that meetings are never going to be the same again, and that's not a bad thing. Life is not the same as it was in the past, and most of us wouldn't want to go back to using all landlines to make calls or cooking over an open fire. It will be nice when we can safely go back to meeting in person again, but there are many advantages to being able to work remotely. The first thing is to remember that virtual tools are just that, tools. We get to decide when to use them and how we use them. Part of the weariness comes from the fact that we are having to quickly learn a new way of doing things. We are learning at the same time we're expected to be competent in the technology. Take a deep breath and realize there is a learning curve. We are judging our abilities much harsher than others are. We also need to take getting better with this new strategy seriously. We can enhance our business by using backgrounds that work as advertising, reach more people, and better manage our time. Think of it like a change of venue. There is a time and place to meet in a coffee shop, a conference room, a restaurant, a ballroom, and virtually. All have different expectations. Learn to be the best virtual presenter and attendee ever. Concentrate on the benefits and exercise your virtual strengths.